capital, and capital has no religion, no geographic boundaries. It will go where it is safe, where it makes money. Otherwise, it will flow out. And we have seen a lot of capital flowing out of, Pakistan, from the banking sector, pharmaceuticals, and some others. I can assure you, have faith in us, and we will make sure that we'll keep you happy. Because that's my task. Because if you are happy, then you'll make your head offices happy, and they will then invest more. So it's my interest that I keep you happy. Remittances are holding up, 2.7 billion, but RDA, I just had this discussion at the central bank. We are going to be more focused on that. I believe that, the RDA is going to do better. Remittances probably have, done very well. We may have some challenges over there, but then we are introducing new programs to support, remittances of workers' remittances. RDAs with the professional, as you know. Exports and imports, there are concerns that imports have risen faster than we thought, and there is a current account deficit. I can assure you, we just review this every week, and we know that it's going to go up, but it will not go beyond 2.5%, of GDP, and we have made arrangements because the exports will take a little time to just start growing. I met the IT people. They came for a 3 billion rupee kind of help, and I gave them 13 billion. That's one area I believe is going to grow faster than the rest of the exporting industry. They are growing at 47%, and this time they're going to grow by 75%. I want them to grow by 100%. If they keep growing 100% in 5-6 years' time, our IT exports are going to be $60 billion.